Here are some ideas to help you maximize your slow travel experience. Staying longer in fewer places is the essence of slow traveling. Spend a longer time at one location instead of staying in a series of multiple destinations for a few days each. Finding a single place to stay for your entire trip can create a sense of belonging and comfort. You can settle in without having to plan for a move in a day or two. And you might find better rates for long-term accommodations and can spend less on transportation. Slow down your itinerary. Slow down your pace of travel. Don't pack your schedule with too many activities. Leave gaps in your schedule to explore unexpected opportunities or recommendations from locals. Spend time just wandering around and absorbing the surroundings without a specific agenda. Give yourself the flexibility to just relax and absorb the atmosphere instead of meeting a tight schedule of sightseeing. Sync your schedule with the local pace. If the locals take a siesta, join in. If they eat dinner late, adjust your meal times. Embrace the local routines to blend in and fully experience the culture. Plan your trip to avoid peak tourist times. Plan your trips during off-peak seasons to avoid crowds and experience a more relaxed atmosphere. Accommodations are more plentiful and cheaper in the off-season. Plan to visit attractions early in the morning to avoid crowds and lines. Stay in smaller towns or away from the central tourist areas in major cities. These places often have a slower pace of life and provide a more authentic view of the region. But make sure that you're close to grocery stores and transportation. Choose local accommodations such as furnished apartments, guest houses, or boutique hotels instead of a chain hotel. Staying with locals can provide a more authentic experience and connection with the community. This can also save you money. Accommodations such as furnished apartments that allow for longer stays usually have better rates and usually provide a more comfortable living environment that's better suited for longer-term stays. Check out the location of the accommodation prior to renting using Google Maps. You're going to be there for a while, so map out where the grocery stores and restaurants are located and the distance to public transportation. Use the street view to see if your apartment is located above a nightclub that'll be blasting music until 3 a.m. Street view will also let you walk the neighborhood to let you see if it looks like a place where you'll be comfortable. If you're staying in an apartment with a kitchen, cook your own meals. Visit local markets to buy fresh produce. Spend time exploring the local grocery stores. This helps you learn about the local food culture and saves you a lot of money compared to eating your meals at restaurants. Bring lightweight cloth grocery bags on your trip to carry your groceries. When you do eat out at restaurants, try to eat where the locals eat. Local eateries often provide better food at lower prices and a more authentic experience compared with restaurants focused on serving tourists. And you can talk to the staff to learn more about things to do and see. Use a translation app to translate the menus if necessary. Walk or bike when possible to discover and experience things that you would miss when traveling by car or bus. Bikes can often be faster than a bus or car in a congested city. Use public transportation, such as local buses, trains, or bikes to get around, instead of taxis or rental cars. That'll save you a lot of money and gives you a chance to interact with the locals and see the world from their perspective. And see if you can buy a local transit pass that provides unlimited travel within a certain time frame. That could save you a lot of money. Use long-distance trains or buses when traveling between cities or countries for a slower, more scenic journey at a more relaxed pace compared to flying. But you need to balance that with the duration of the journey. Don't waste a day on an 8-hour train trip when you could take a 1-hour flight. Research the destination prior to your trip to get a better understanding of the culture and history of the place you're visiting. At a minimum, familiarize yourself with a few key phrases before arriving. Speaking a bit of the local language can help you better connect with people and shows respect for their culture. Attend local events such as local festivals, markets, or community events. This can give you insight into the local traditions and customs. Participate in activities such as cooking classes to learn more about the local way of life. Strike up conversations with locals to learn more about their lives and get insider tips on the best places to visit. Explore nature. Parks, beaches, or hiking trails will help you appreciate the environment and slow down your pace, and they're usually free. Many destinations have major natural attractions that are a must-see. Take guided walking tours to gain a deeper understanding of the history and culture of the area. It will also give you an opportunity to meet people while getting exercise. Immerse yourself in the arts, visit local galleries, theaters, and music venues. Engage with the cultural and artistic scene to get a deeper sense of the local identity. Explore the surrounding villages and countryside. Venture outside of the main cities and tourist hotspots to explore smaller towns and rural areas. Rent a bike or car to explore the countryside at your own pace. Document your journey in a journal or by capturing videos or photos with your smartphone. Creating a record of your experiences as they happen will help you process your experiences more deeply and preserve your memories. Focus on the small details like the sounds, smells, and feelings of the place, instead of just listing your major activities. And like and subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our free newsletter. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching.